Hey guys! Welcome to Cooking with Yegs! On today's episode, you won't believe what we're making. No, seriously, you won't. We're making cup noodles! Yeah! For this tasty factory-made dish, you'll be needing a microwave, a plate, a half-eaten baby carrot, a screwdriver, a half-eaten baby, and of course, cup noodles. First things first, take your deliciously wrapped cup noodles and rip that sucker open. Rip carefully or the whole thing might fall apart. Now peel this thing off. What the hell is this called? God damn it, Jerry. Anyways, peel it off to reveal the noodle goodness. You see the fresh organic peas, corn, and carrots? Well, toss it. Get rid of it. Throw it over the border. Whatever it takes, you'll never see it again. When that's over, drown the noodles in fresh, clean, purified water. The fresher, the better. Before I put the cup noodles into the microwave, I'm gonna let you guys into a little secret. This makes the cup of noodles taste so much better. Jerry, don't just stand there. Give me a freaking towel. Thanks. When putting the cup of noodles into the microwave, make sure to fill it up with as many metal forks as you possibly can. Perfect. What you need to do is set the microwave for 30 seconds. That should cook the cup of noodles just right. Oh, it's ready. A half-eaten carrot? I think we need to put it in for 30 more seconds.
Carrots. Carrots. Carrots.
Oh, it's ready, guys. No, die! Yes! First try! Yeah! This has been Cooking with Yegs! Yes, and today we made cup of noodles. But it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye.